Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we are gonna solve this question that is related to finding the equation of a plane that is passing through three given points. So basically we need to find the equation of a plane that is in the form of this equation ax plus by plus cz is equal to d, and that plane is passing through three given points and the coordinates of those points are also given. So let's suppose this is a plane. Its equation may be ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. And let's suppose this point is P, this point is Q, and this point is R. And these all three points are lying in this plane. So we know that to find the equation of a plane, we need two things. First is point through which that plane is passing, a point on plane. So here we have given 3 points, so this is not an issue. We can take any of these points to find the equation. So a point on the plane, and second thing, normal vector to the plane. And we can write the equation as r vector minus a vector multiply by n vector is equal to 0, where n vector is the normal vector and a vector is the point lying on the plane. So basically this is the equation of plane, or we can write this as a multiply by x minus x1 plus b multiply by y minus y1 plus c multiply by z minus z1 is equal to 0, where point on plane is a vector and is basically represented by x1, y1, z1. I have written here the general equation of the plane, and the normal vector, that is n vector, is basically a, b and c. So we have given this point, so let's assume this point may be P. So we can write the value of x1 as 9, y1 as 7 and z1 as 5. We can take any other, we can take q or we can take r also in this place, but the equation will remain the same. Now to find the normal vector, we know that, let's suppose p and r are connected and p and q are also connected through a vector, because 2 points can, if 2 points are joined by a line, then definitely that can represent a vector. So if we will find the cross product of pq cross pr or pr cross pq, so basically the normal vector can be in the upward direction or in the lower direction of the plane. This is n vector plus n and this is minus n vector. So we need just normal vector. It does not depend whether it is in upward direction or downward direction. So we can take either sign. So suppose the normal vector can be obtained by taking the cross product of pr vector multiply by pq vector, or we can take the plus minus sign. Okay, so now to find the pr vector, what we need to do, we need to subtract the coordinates of r minus coordinates of p. So r coordinates are given as 7, 11, 6 minus coordinates of p are 9, 7 and 5. So if we will subtract these, what we will get? We will get this as 8, this as 4 and this as 1. So this is the pr vector. Now to find the pq vector, what we will get? So point q is 11, 13, 14 minus point p is 9, 7, 5. So if we will subtract these, so it will become 2, 11 minus 9 will become 2, 13 minus 7 will become 6 and 14 minus 5 will become 9. Okay, now to find the cross product pr cross pq, we will simply use the determinant method, I cross j cross k. This will become 8, 4, 1, this will become 2, 6, 9. Now if we will multiply this I cap by 4 multiply by 9 minus 6 multiply by 1, so this will become 36 minus 6. Now we will use negative sign and we will take j cap. So we will eliminate second column and first row. So we will get 8 multiplied by 9. So this will become 72 minus 2 multiplied by 1. Then plus k cap. we will eliminate third column and first row. Then what we will get? We will get 8 into 6, 48 minus 8, 2 into 4, 8. So now after solving this, what we will get? We will get I cap coefficient as 36 minus 6, it will become 30, and here it will become 70, and minus sign is in the starting, so it will become negative 70, and this will become 40. So these are the coordinates of n vector. So we can write this as n vector coordinates as given as a comma b comma c, and we have obtained this as 30 comma minus 70 comma 40. So from on comparing, the value of a is 30, value of b is minus 70, and value of c is 40. So now we can easily obtain the equation of a plane, because we got both the things, that is point on the plane, we have got this as this is the given in the question, and we have also obtained the normal vector here. So by just directly substituting the values in the Cartesian form or vector form. So here we will use the Cartesian form because the answer is asked in Cartesian form. So we need to write the coefficient a. So a value is 30 and x minus 9, because x1 value is this, y1 value is this, and z1 value is this. So we need to just directly substitute, and this will become minus 70, and this will become y minus 7, and 40 multiplied by z minus 5 is equal to 0. So if we will solve this, what we will get? We will get 30x minus 270. Here we will get 70y plus 490. This will become 40z minus 200 is equal to 0. So on solving, we will get this as 30x minus 70y plus 40z. So here it will become minus 270 minus 200, minus 470, and here it is plus 490. So if we will subtract 470 from 490, we will get 20. So if we will take further, we can write this as answer, and if you want to take 10 common also, so you can write this as 3x minus 7y plus 4z plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the plane. And if you want to check whether we have just got the correct answer or not, then you have to just put the coordinates of q or r in this equation in place of x, y, and z, and if this equation will be satisfied, then definitely we have got the correct answer. So this is the equation of plane. I hope you have learned the concept that how to find the equation of a plane passing through three different given points whose coordinates are given. So I have also just designed a calculator based on this concept. So to access that, let's move to my website. So guys, this is the landing page of my calculator, that is equation of plane passing through three points. So here P is given, Q is given, and R is given. So basically we need to do that, we need to just put in the coordinates as given. So the P coordinates are 9, 7, 5, and the second Q coordinate are 11, 13, 14. This is 13 and this is 14, and then the R coordinates are 17, 11, and 6. So we can check these coordinates that whether we have made the right input or not here in the formatted user input display, and this is the automatically question will be formed. And now if we will click on the calculate button, then we will get the answer, that is minus 30x plus 70y minus 40z minus 20 is equal to 0. But we got this as 30x minus 70y because here it is the normal vector, because normal vector can be upward or downward. So there can be difference of negative sign. So if we will take negative common from this, so it will not affect this equation. So our equation is also correct and this equation is also correct, because here the normal vector he has taken as PQ cross PR, and we have just taken it PR cross PQ. So there is a difference of negative sign. So don't worry about that. It is not a mistake, and this is the correct solution. So this is the step-by-step solution displaying by this calculator, and you can input various types of values in these input boxes, and you can get your answer checked at the instant. And this is the free calculator, and there is no AdSense displayed on this also. So I hope you would love this calculator. I will just provide you the link of this calculator in the description below, and if you like this, then please share it with your friends. And if you want to ask any other doubt, then you can just visit my website and you can post your doubt there, or you can also post your doubts in the comment box below. So thank you very much.